Getting a tax notice in Pakistan can be stressful, right? Let's break down what they actually mean.
That feeling of dread is pretty common, but hey, not all of these notices are the same.
The key is to understand what the Federal Board of Revenue is really asking for. First up, let's talk about the basic stuff. Notices about just getting your paperwork filed correctly.
These are the most common reasons they'll get in touch about your filings. Let's check them out.
So if you were supposed to file an income tax return and, well, you didn't, you'll get this.
This one's a request for the whole picture of your finances, what you own and what you owe. And this is for anyone who hasn't filed their statement about assets they hold outside the country.
So what happens if you ignore these notices? Well, the consequences are pretty real.
Yeah, they can actually disconnect your phone or even your power just to make sure you comply.
Okay, so what happens when you filed, but now they want to dig a little deeper?
This is just them saying, hey, you missed a few spots. Please provide the missing info.
An audit means it's time to show your work. They'll want to see your records and accounts.
This one's broad. They can ask for specific info or even have you come in for an examination.
Now let's talk money. This next set of notices is all about collecting taxes that are due. You can see how this escalates, right? From a simple demand to much more serious actions.
But here's the thing. It's not a one-way street. The law protects you, too.
Most importantly, you have the right to be heard. They can't make a change without your input.
These rules are all about fairness, whether it's the first assessment or a later appeal. So a notice really isn't the end. It's actually the start of a conversation.
Knowing the process makes all the difference. It's about being informed, not intimidated.